If you pay any attention to the news, you hear all about intrusion of saltwater tables with water tables dropping. We have all these buildings built along coastlines. All of them were built with regular old iron rebar, and they're failing. And you don't even have to be on the coast to have rebar fail. We seal it as you drive around the country with bridges and all kinds of other structure where the rebar just starts to erode over time, which is incredibly costly to repair. Such an innovative product. And I can't believe I'm actually holding this and kind of just tossing it up and down. You know what rebar weighs. It's heavy, it's hard to work with, it corrodes, it erodes over time, and it makes structures fail. With Mateenbar, we've got a fiberglass rebar, so help me out a little bit. Is this a one-to-one kind of exchange, or how do I engineer with it?
Sure, it depends. So if you're doing the flat work is going to be a one-for-one.
Okay.
And you can actually downsize.
Really?
Yeah, so per the code, fiberglass rebar is stronger than steel. Steel's typically a grade 60, which is anywhere from 70 to 90,000 KSI tensile strength. Fiberglass is in the 140s, 147.
So in tension, you're saying I actually could downsize and I could be better in tension.
Right.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
For temperature control and shrinkage. But
all
if
right.
you're going to go for structural applications, it's not going to be a one-for-one. Sometimes it is, sometimes it's not, but it's going to depend on the engineer.
Right. Okay.
So,
but tell me, roughly, what do you see it go? Is it 2-to-1, or is it you're talking about no? It's 1.3, 1.4 to 1 in most applications.
1.4.
Okay. Very good. So it's not like crazy. I'm not having to put 5 times more of this in.
Right.
It's a small adoption. If I'm structural application, flat work, I might actually even be able to reduce the amount that I use.
Right.
More importantly, I don't have to worry about water intrusion, saltwater intrusion. This is never going to rust. It's never going to fail from that perspective.
Yeah, this is a great replacement for epoxy coated steel, because generally epoxy coated, somebody wants that because you're worried about corrosion.
Yep.
But that's eventually going to rust anyways.
And you also have to take such care in how you actually install it, because as you know, epoxy coatings get chipped, they can get ground off. When I'm even wire wrapping and doing different welding, I ruin my coating, and all those are failure areas for that as well.
Yeah, I mean, if you chip this, it's still
doesn't matter. It's fiberglass. Exactly. It's going to last no matter what.
Yep.
How long has this been on the market?
So fiberglass rebar has actually been around for 30 years, but it was just never cost effective to make.
Yeah, well,
Mateenbar.
Welcome to Mateenbar. Now we have a cost effective solution.
Mateenbar has been around for 30 years as well, but just in the U.S., we have a plant in North Carolina. It's been around for about 6 years. We're BABA compliant, made in America, and you invite us nationwide.
The other thing is, it's so much lighter. I just think about from a shipping perspective. Shipping real rebar, it's a lot of weight.
Yeah.
This is so much easier, one, to ship across the country, but also even to bring to the job site, to manage at the job site, moving it around the job site.
Yeah, so one truckload of fiberglass rebar is equal to almost 4 trucks of steel.
Yeah.
So you can fit 20,000 sticks on a flatbed. So less freight costs, and then like you said, on the job site, right now contractors have to use a flatbed or a trailer to pull them.
Yep.
You can put 500 sticks of number 3 on a ladder rack, and
you're done.
Fuel.
And off you go.
Yeah.
Hey, if you've ever worried about corrosion on your job site, long-term liability, right, or having to deal with this, you might want to think about Mateenbar, fiberglass rebar for your tough applications.